From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Luke Snyder here for your Wednesday evening CNET forecast. Taking a live look at some of our cameras across the state, you can see much of Pennsylvania is going to be experiencing these relatively cool and crisp conditions. Just a few clouds in the sky, and if we take a closer look here at Beaver Stadium, you can see we have very minimal cloud coverage right now, beautiful clear skies, and as we look at the rest of our current conditions, we're staying at around 73 degrees right now with the feels like of the same temperature, a dew point at around 50 degrees, so as we're experiencing much less humid conditions than we have these past few weeks or so, with some great visibility and some mild winds coming in from the west. Looking at temperatures surrounding the area, you can see we have a very general trend of cooler temperatures on the western portion of the state and warmer temperatures on the eastern portion of the state. And as we expand out into the rest of the Commonwealth, you can see that the eastern portion by Harrisburg and Philadelphia, so southeastern actually, is going to be breaking into that 80-degree threshold mark. And as we expand out into the rest of the lower 48, you can see we have two very noticeable and distinct cold air masses coming across. The first one is going to be over the Great Lakes region, which isn't too unexpected for this time of year since they are by these larger bodies of water. They are going to be experiencing a little bit less of these drastic temperatures. The second one is over here on the western portion, though. We have a lot of cold air masses coming in from the north by Canada, and we have some winds coming in from the northwest, bringing these colder air down south and causing these lower temperatures in some of the more unexpected places. Looking at some future radar, we have a few pop-up showers in the northwestern portion by Franklin and Bradford, and then over here in the southeastern portion, almost heading into the New Jersey region as well. And these are going to be lasting for just about a half an hour or so, nothing too much to worry about. And as we look into overnight as well, you can see we have just a few sprinkles in the southern half of the state, but continuing into the rest of tomorrow morning, all of this precipitation is expected to be leaving the area alongside these clouds as well, making way for some gorgeous and clear skies for the rest of Thursday. As we take a look at a little bit more of a broader portion of the country, you can see that Thursday again is going to be experiencing some relatively clear conditions as we have this high pressure coming through the area, causing for the end of the weekend, the work week, to be experiencing some pretty clear conditions and cool temperatures. All we have right now is that Hurricane Lee making its way. It's not expected to be making any landfall near Pennsylvania. However, we do have these strong winds coming in from the north, and as it continues in the northwest region as well, that are going to be expecting to make some windier conditions than typically seen. Looking to the rest of the weekend, however, Saturday is expected to be relatively clear skies, with Sunday evening having the brunt force of these stronger precipitation systems moving through the area. And then, as you can see, they continue through the rest of the weekend, and starting off Monday as well, leaving Monday to be a little bit more of a wet start to the work week ahead. Taking a look at the rest of the day, you can see we're going to be reaching a low of 49 degrees, so breaking just below that 50-degree threshold for the lower recorded temperatures, with some partly cloudy skies and some slight winds coming in from the west. Looking at tomorrow, we're going to be reaching a high of 69 degrees with sunny skies, so all of those clouds are expected to be clearing throughout the area, and some calmer winds coming in again from the north at around 5 to 8 miles per hour. And looking at your 7-day forecast, you can see the sunny skies are going to continue for the rest of the work week as well with those fall-like conditions. We are going to be experiencing some patchy fog, however, for the next few days, so make sure to stay aware of that if you're driving on the roads early in the morning. And those clouds are going to be rolling on through Saturday night into Sunday, with Sunday evening and again into Monday morning, causing those showers likely. So those showers are going to be appearing more on Monday into the beginning of the work week. And then as we continue through into Tuesday to close off this 7-day forecast, we're going to be having some relatively clear skies as these clouds make way and leave the area Tuesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Luke Snyder. Have a great night.